Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll UI good settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Crunchyroll and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Crunchyroll. And then here you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.